again, hello! Today we're going to talk about bicycle maintenance for the big race. Maintenance, that's the way I say it from Italy, where I come from. First off, you need to make sure your tires have lots of air in them. You want to hook up the plug to the tire, or else pretty much you're blowing air into the air. Next, you want to make sure you've got good brakes on the bike. If you whiz down to the hill, you cannot stop. This is very dangerous. So this bike here has the brakes. Next, you want to make sure you have your chain, which is nice and lubed appropriately. Over here, we have the 3 kinds of oils from Mom's kitchen. Make sure. This one right here was a traditional olive oil. The olive oil brings a natural lube to your oil chain to bring it hours and hours of lubrication. We call it a lubrication, where I come from in Italy. Right next to here we have the sunflower oil, corn oil, which brings the raw part of the corn, the oil, onto the chain to lube it up for many, many hours of riding. It's very good. And then over here we have the baby oils for last but not least. Legweako needs to make sure his tender tushy is nice and soft for the big ride watch. Here we have this, whatever brand it is, Cushy seat cover. Cushy seat cover. It's got a strap on there to put it on top of your seat, so Legweako's Cushy stays nice and soft.